Hi everyone, welcome back to Mom Master channel. Yesterday I actually tried to make two entries, but however the price wasn't being triggered. So maybe we take a look at the price again, see whether it was being triggered. So yesterday I actually recommended a few positions, right? So basically for me personally, I have tried to set the price for Alta and set the price for BMCH. Alta yesterday we actually target to set a price 288.88. BMCH we wanted to set in a price at 48.87. However, it wasn't being triggered. So today I want to take a look again on the Alta. See what is the next triggered price. So actually I wanted to enter here at 288.8. To 88.88. That was my entry price. However, it wasn't being triggered. So now the price is 287.3. To 87.3 and what's today I will try again at 287.35. See whether I can get to enter to the position, and then I also have BMCH. How come it doesn't get triggered? It's supposed to got triggered, right? Oh my goodness. So yesterday my price was 48.87. However, the highest is 48.71. So it wasn't get triggered as well. So today I will continue to queue 48.71. So today I will queue at 48.72 and see whether it will get triggered. Okay, meanwhile, let's start to screen. I think if I'm not wrong, S&P index actually S&P is actually having a very nice trending up. See, it broke up. Can you see there's there's a breakout here. Looks like a breakout to me. I think the trend is very bullish. So hopefully it will continue to run. Are you ready for the next bull run? Yeah, we are very excited, right? So basically yesterday my P&L position was up by let me see how much. Yesterday my P&L position was up by 20%. So yeah, I'm all ready for the bull run. Let's see how it goes. All right, and yeah, hopefully yeah, we can go up all the way till hopefully next year March. Okay, so now let's go through the scanning. Let's try on Nasdaq first. Signature Bank. Third arrow. Let's see. Is there a valid entry? The trend is the trend is not nice because I can see that the trend is actually not going anywhere. So I wouldn't want to enter into this. Euronet. Euronet, it has been uptrend all this while, and then until the COVID, then uptrend again. Looks good, but let's see whether there's any valid entry. So there's a first arrow with teeth, second arrow with teeth, third arrow with teeth, and fourth arrow with teeth is fourth arrow already, so I wouldn't want to enter. American Airlines. I rather not because it has been downtrend all this while, even before COVID. So it's a bearish trend to me. No. Health equity. So health equity all this while has been an uptrending, and then there is a slight downward trend. So I personally don't really like this kind of trend. Let's see whether is there any valid setup. So this is the first arrow, second valid arrow. Now is the third valid arrow. It's already the third valid arrow. If I were to enter, I cannot enter a very big position. Maybe I can only allocate like maybe 1% or 2% of my capital. Okay, maybe we just put this up first. HQY. Three. 74.31 with third arrow with teeth. I remember yesterday I also mentioned about BLD. Very beautiful trend. Because why? It is breaking out from 6 months, but it still has not break out. Still not break out yet. 191.6 not breaking out yet. I will continue to monitor. Wait for breakout of 6 months. I will continue to monitor this top, the COP. It's a construction material company, right? Health equity actually can consider to enter with a third arrow with teeth, so cannot allocate too much of the capital. Just a small piece of a pie on this. For Marriott, Marriott all this while have a very beautiful trend. Even you see after post-COVID, the trend is trending up. It's actually okay to enter for me if there is a good chance. Let's see. First, second, and third. It is also considered third arrow. And it's not breaking 6 months yet, but it's going to break very soon. So I will consider to enter since there's a valid entry point here. Oh, it actually broke out. It actually broke out. So this one, the highest is 131.9. This one, the highest 131.35. Oh, it hasn't break up. Hasn't break up. But it's a good position to enter. So it's 131.35 highest. So 131.35%. So if it is 131.38, then it's a good price to enter. Third arrow with TIF. Okay, I don't have a hotel portfolio in my position, so I don't mind to enter into this. All right, so that's all for Nasdaq. I'm not going down further. I'm not screening further on Nasdaq. I'm going to check on my NYSE. Is there any good position? Carnival. What's this? Let's see. Very bad trend. You can see the trend is good. It's not a good trend. Even before COVID, it has been trending down, so no good. Carnival again. No, this is not something that I'm looking at. No, not Carnival, because you can see it's like trending downwards. May consider. I don't know. I wouldn't want to go for this kind of, short squeeze kind of stock. Right? It's very much like a short squeeze stock to me. See, shopping is a shopping stock for me, so no. AER. Trend is generally going upwards, down, then going upwards, then down, going upwards. Okay, but let's see, is there any entry? 1, 2, 3. It's already third arrow. AER is already third arrow. High is 43.9. 43.91 is the valid entry price. Third arrow with TIF. Okay, that's all for today for the NYSE. Nothing else. I'm going to check my juicy list. Is there anything from the juicy list? Let's see. SPXC. Nice trend. Very nice trend. And it's breaking out from 6-month high. You see, yesterday's candle already broke out from 6-month high. Very beautiful trend. Wow. This one is a must enter, must queue for this position. All right. I will want to queue for this position. High is 53.23. 3.24 is the valid entry price, and first arrow with TIF. I always like to enter into position on first arrow with TIF, because if the trend is right, if you are riding on the right trend, on the second arrow with TIF, I can continue to add on to my position, right along with the trend. SPXC is in my star list. I'm going to queue for this. Okay, I'm going to queue for this. Okay, anything else? This one is also just broke 6-month high yesterday. Can you see? Just broke 6-month high yesterday. Let's see. Let's see the general trend. General trend is very beautiful. Very nice trend. Okay, let's see what happens. Valid. 1, 2, 3. This is third arrow with teeth. So if you don't mind to enter into something that is usually for me, I would like to enter at the first arrow with teeth. This is where you can enter at a lower price. But if let's say today cannot trigger, then tomorrow you can enter. If let's say today the price, adjust downwards, then you can enter at a lower price. Right? So SMX is also not bad. Okay, let's see what's the high. High is 164.77 is the valid entry price. Third arrow with teeth. Looking at the trend, I would say very nice trend up. But because it's already third arrow with teeth, so the capital that you place on this is very limited. So if let's say capital you place is very limited, and then you may not see a very good profit result because it's already very late entry. See, 1, 2, 3, very late, right? TRMB is I used this screener to screen TRMB before, and I have exited already. Now it prompts back up. Now it prompts back up. So let's see whether there any good chance. What happened? Yeah, TRMB. Is there any good chance? TRMB has a very beautiful trend. Very, very beautiful trend. It's a good counter to trade. But let's see, is there a good chance? First arrow. This one is not valid. This is the valid first arrow. And the second valid arrow. Okay, because the second valid arrow price is higher than first arrow, means at the first arrow you are already at the right stock. You are already at the right trend. So this kind of stock, I don't mind to enter for the second arrow is still a good one, a good stock to filter, to scan. Third arrow with teeth, I would say relatively more riskier because you don't know when is the pullback. Once pullback, sell signal, you have to sell, so you may have to sell at a loss. But second arrow still okay. Okay, so this one high is 61.09. This is TRMB. 0.02%, 61.10 is my entry price. If today cannot enter, then enter tomorrow. Okay, second arrow with teeth. If today doesn't trigger, then we will consider to trigger tomorrow. Okay, so this is the one. TRMB. Let's see what's happening here. Wow, nice trend, right? Very, very nice trend. Beautiful trend, yeah, very beautiful trend. Entry. third arrow. It's a third arrow. I will jot this down and I'll see. Builders is like more on a construction industry, very much like a construction industry. Yeah, so why not? You can see that the price is pushing up. When the price dropped to this low yesterday, then the price push up again and close at a higher range, right? Very much like a hammer. I would say there's a good chance that it will continue to move up further. So ELDR high 37.2. 37.27 is the valid entry price, but this is, bear in mind, first arrow, second arrow, third arrow. So allocate a smaller capital size like 1% or 2% will do. Third arrow, okay. Yeah. Very nice. In fact, S&P is very bullish. I have to say that it looks like the bull run may continue. I may be wrong, but looking at the chart just now, it seems like the bull run may continue. Very beautiful trend. Very beautiful trend. And it's the first arrow with teeth. It doesn't break 6-month high, but it is still first arrow with teeth. Net teeth. NTES. Internet service, leading online service provider in China. Online mobile games, social media, China's most popular PC client. Okay, Chinese. So basically right now, right, Chinese is actually trending up, so I don't mind. Okay, so this one is the NTES, highest is 98.4. 2. First arrow with T. I like this. I really like this. I think I will allocate some capital to this beautiful trend. Okay, I think I will just look at the top 20. That's it. And this consists of 146. So I'm supposed to look into top 15 or top 14. But I think this one, yeah, I must give it a chance. This one is more on valid setup. Follow trend. This one is more like a trend settings kind of trade. Not so much on fundamental analysis, but if you want to know whether whatever you trade is have the prospect or not, then usually I'll just go to Morningstar and take a look at the company profile. Generally, I will know whether there's a prospect, because once you see the industry that they are in, you will roughly know the prospect, right? So after so many screener, I decided to enter into the first one that I'm gonna enter is SPXC. All right, this is the one that I'm gonna enter. Let me just quickly do a quick look here. SPXC is the one that I'm gonna queue for the price. Okay, and then after that I'm gonna do TRMB. I'm gonna queue for this. Then BLDR. I'm gonna queue for this at 57. And also NETS. I'm gonna queue at 89. Considering I want to enter. So for my conclusion, I will prioritize my entry on SPXC, TRMB, and tax. This one I'm still considering whether I'll enter because it's third arrow with T3. However, the trend is a very good trend. The third arrow is actually on a very good trend because if I'm not wrong, it's a break 6-month higher, BLDR. Let me check. Is it break 6-month high? It looks like it breaks 6-month high just now. It looks like it broke 6-month high, and it actually did just only yesterday it broke 6-month high. So I think it's also a pretty good position to enter because usually when it broke 6-month high, it's very much bullish. So may consider to enter as well. So okay, I will just queue for this 4 position, but for BLDR, I will allocate a lesser capital. For SPXC and NTES, I will allocate more capital because it's the first valid signal to buy. All right, so I think that's it for today, and that's it for today's screening. Before we log out, let's see what's happening to my Nasdaq. Let's see how's Nasdaq going. Oh, Nasdaq is actually ranging there and it doesn't move back down. Ranging there and doesn't move back down. That's why yesterday a lot of my position in a lot of my tech positions actually turn into positive profit and loss from negative to positive. So yesterday, that's why I said yesterday my P&L actually rose 20% in one night, in one day, because my Facebook position are all up. Previously was all negative. Now my Facebook is up. I entered into Facebook in a staggered manner. So now from negative to positive, and then my Alibaba also went up. Yeah. So I think QQQ is more or less pretty steady. Pretty steady. It looks like generally when S&P move up, right? Dow Jones and Nasdaq, it won't have an opposite trend. It would generally follow the same trend. So no need to worry that Nasdaq is overpriced, is overvaluated. I wouldn't worry too much about that, because like very strong stocks like Tesla is actually broke out already, got into brand new high already. Those very strong one like Tesla, you see already in a brand new high. Considering they have stock split 2 months back, right now, it broke to a brand new high. It's very, very bullish. Tesla is on a bullish trend. My favorite counter NIO is also on a very bullish trend. Everything is at a brand new high. You see, yesterday was at a brand new high. All right, this is a parabolic manual. This one is actually a parabolic trend. So is it good to enter right now? I don't want to suggest anything. To me, it's not really at a good price to enter right now. I would rather wait for it to soften. Okay, maybe at this level consider to enter, otherwise. So yesterday I didn't sell put on Intel because the volatility is too low. So if I sell put, I cannot get a very good premium. So what I did was I actually sold put on Tesla yesterday. So I sold put on Tesla last night at $300, at 300. So I think it's pretty safe. I'll just collect the premium and I'll just close off the position when it reaches 70% or so, right? What else did I sell put? I also sold put on JD, very far away put, like 75. I don't mind to get exercise if it really dropped below 75. Otherwise, I'll just collect the premium, right? This is what I did last night. And those stock that I screened with the system, with the paid subscription just now, all didn't get killed, or didn't or are not all didn't get done. So tonight I will try again with this new list, because yesterday's stocks are not really the stocks that I really love, but today the stocks like SPXC. Let me share again. For today, I would think today's screening is more on my favor. I'm more favorable to this stock. So yesterday, those that didn't get done, I'll just forget about that. I'll just continue and move on for today. SPXC is the one that I'm going to enter. This is my priority for today. I'm going to enter. This one also my priority. This one I will allocate a small little position because it broke 6-month high. So yeah, these are the stocks that I'm gonna queue for the price and see whether it gets done tonight. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much, and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.